Hello my dear family members, today I am going to share all the coding questions which are very important for your upcoming exam. Basically the first coding questions which are repeated and most asked. Okay, so without any delay, let's go. But at first I would like to inform you that we have created another channel called UBK Anna. Please subscribe that because there I'll show you the actual questions, because in Techno UF if I am going to share all the actual questions then there might be some copyright issues. So please subscribe this channel so that this will be helpful for you. Okay, so let's go to the top 10 questions. So the top 10 questions is this. So reverse a string. Okay, the first coding questions I am giving you guarantee, whichever I am showing you today, from these 10 coding questions you will obviously get common questions. Okay, so let's get started. So at first, reverse a string. So you will be given a string and you have to check hello, like this string you have to just reverse that. Okay, so I hope you understood. Actually you will be given a very big questions and the output of the questions and the like gist of the question is to reverse the string. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so as you can see, hello, and the reverse form of that is OLLEH. Okay, so this is a string based question and you just have to use a for loop to reverse the string, nothing else. Okay, so ninth problem is sum of digits. Okay, so you have to calculate the sum of the digits you are given in input. Okay, so in input 1 2 3 4 and output is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is 10. So output will be 10. Okay, and this is the root problem of many other coding questions. Okay, so if you know this, like if you know how to solve sum of digits problem, then you can solve many other problems. Okay, count something, count any digit, count anything. Okay, and reversing a string, like a palindrome problem or any other problem, binary problem. So these are all can be done by the same concept, the sum of digits. Okay, so please try to solve the problem by your own and give the answer in the comment section. I am watching how many of you are attentively watching and giving importance to these videos. Okay, so let's go to the next problem. Actually I have solved all the problems in the previous videos, so please watch the playlist regarding Accenture coding questions so that you can get all the answers. Okay, and you can also google those, you can get the answers. Okay, so let's go to the next question. That is question number 8, matrix transpose. Okay, so this is also what that was asked in the previous year, like on 2023, and this was asked twice, and these are like asked thrice, fourth. Okay, 4 times. So these are all important, I am not joking. Okay, so matrix transpose was asked like twice on 2023. So in input you will be given some arrays. Inside array you have to transpose the matrix. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so you have to convert this column into rows. Okay, so as you can see, columns are becoming rows, so you have to transpose the matrix, nothing else. Okay, here also you have to use simple for loops to solve the problem. Okay, nothing else, nothing rocket science. Okay, so let's go to the next problem, that is prime number check. Okay, so these are like whatever I am showing you now, these are all asked multiple times and repeated, most asked. Okay, so please give importance. So for the first problem you will be given not directly prime number, but you will be given a big problem like 10 to 20 lines of question. You have to summarize that the problem asking us to solve prime number, problem asking us to solve matrix transpose. Okay, so this way you have to solve the problem. Okay, so you will, maybe you will not directly be asked the prime number questions, you will be asked a questions which outcome is prime number. Okay, so I hope you understood. So here you have to just check if else condition, like if the number is divisible by itself or 1, then it is prime, and if this is visible other than that, then we have to consider that as a non-prime number. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let's go to the next question, that is Fibonacci series or Fibonacci sequence. You will be given an input like an integer, let's say 5. Okay, so the first two digit will be 0 1, and the next digit will be the addition of the previous two numbers or previous two digits. Okay, like this. So 0 1 will be there, of course, then the next digit or next number will be the addition of previous to 1, 0 plus 1, and the next number will be the addition of previous to 1, 1 plus 1, and the next number will be addition of the previous to 1, 2 plus 1. Okay, so I hope you understood. This way you have to you have to code so that you get this series. Okay, so I hope you understood. So you have to return an array or list of Fibonacci series of this digit or number. Okay, so I hope you will give the solutions in the comment section. Okay, so let's go to the next question. But before I proceed to the next question, I would recommend you to have the prime materials of Accenture, in which I have included all the previous year coding questions with answers, all the recent coding questions with answers, all the mock test, recent MS Office and cloud computing mock test. So please, if you want, then please let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/techno.ef. I will try to assist you. This is paid but very affordable. Okay, so I hope you will do so. Okay, so let's go to the next question, that is regarding palindrome check. Okay, so this is the same problem, same concept. If you can, if you are able to reverse a string, then you can solve this problem very easily. Okay, and if you are given a, if you are given a number to check palindrome, then you are ready to solve the problem, because you know how to count a digit, how to reverse a digit. Okay, so I hope you will be able to solve the problem. If not, then please go through our playlist regarding Accenture, then you will be easily able to solve the problem. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, so let's see the sample input, that is race car. Okay, so you just have to reverse it at first, then check if the string is same from the left to right and right to left or not. Okay, so I hope you understood. If equal, then this is palindrome. If not equal, then this is not palindrome. So let's go to the next question, that is anagram check. Okay, and I must admit that this question was asked twice in the previous year, and just I have to tell you that also Fibonacci series, palindrome check and anagram check, and whatever I am showing you now, all the questions are asked in the Pada role questions as well, in the off campus as well. So off campus fast coding questions is also important for on campus AAC AAC role questions. Okay, so I hope you will give importance. Okay, so as you can see, what is anagram? That is, if two strings are anagrams or not, this is what you have to check. If both the strings contain the same characters, then this considered as anagram. Okay, this is anagram of this. Okay, so basically what we have to do, that is, we have to sort those strings and we have to check if those are equal or not. We have to sort them on the basis of alphabetical order, then we'll get to know if those are equal or not. If equal, then we'll consider that as anagram of each other. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, if you want the solutions, then please go through our playlist of Accenture, in which you will get all the answers. And if you want all the answers of previous questions, then please let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me at my Insta ID. Okay, so this is the binary string problem, and this was also asked in the last year. So convert a binary string to its decimal equivalent. So this is the binary string or binary number digit. You have to convert this into its corresponding decimal number. Okay, so 1010 is the number, binary number. You have to convert this. Okay, output is 10. So I hope you understood, right? So if you want to discuss more, then please join our Telegram channel t.me/UBK Anna to discuss about your exam. Then also you can join our Telegram channel t.me/UBK Anna, and you will get more updates regarding other companies as well. So please join there. Okay, so let's go to the second question, that is the rat count house. So the same problem, rat count house, was asked in the previous year on the Pada role, and this year Pada role also the question was asked. Okay, that is regarding this. So calculate the minimum number of houses required to feed all rats. Okay, basically you will be given the number of rats and the units they eat. Okay, so one rat eats 2 units, so total rats required 14 units, 7 into 2, so 14 units required. So you have to find how many houses required to fill. So 2 plus 8 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, plus 5. So 13 is not enough, because we need 14. Okay, so that's why we need total 4 houses. That's why output is 4. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let's discuss the next question. Next question is very important, that is regarding chocolate distribution, and I am giving you guarantee this question is going to come in any of the slot. Okay, this is advanced coding questions, and this will be asked, and this is based on the dynamic programming, and this was also asked in the first first coding, and also in the second coding. Okay, so and this was asked like 4 times. Okay, so I hope you will give importance to this question. Actually, I am not going to solve this problem, and I am not going to discuss this question in this video. I am going to discuss these solutions in the next video. So please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and please share this content with your friends so that they can also take help from this, and they can get also the job together. Okay, so thank you for today's session.
Hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS and more will get you ready, open up that door. Mock test is coding and tech questions of the past. Technical tips make your skills outlast. Interviews prep, you'll shine so bright. Techno UF, your future's inside. Techno UF will you guide to your dream job right by your side. Placement prep, we got it all. With us you'll stand tall. Kept mine a deal, yeah, and tech my hidden draw too. We've got the resources all just for you. From technical queries to HR rounds, with Techno UF, success abounds. My guess is coded in questions of the past. To your dream job right by your side. Placement prep, we got it all. With us you'll stand tall. Unlock your potential, reach for the stars. With Techno UF, you'll go so far. Ace those placements, nail every test. Join us now and be the best to get the materials, not the